We're gonna go to the World Trade Center. It's just so different. So we skated over to the West Side Highway. We got to 59th Street and stopped because Tower 2 was coming down. And I just stood there and looked up at Tower 1, which is where I worked. And I was saying, oh, they're gonna find a way out. Somebody up there is gonna figure out how to get them out of there. And as I was kind of saying that and thinking that, the tower crumbled. I was just terrified. Like, what are we gonna do? Let's get out of here. And it hadn't even sunk in yet that all the people I knew up there were probably gone. You think, will they do lights tomorrow night?